In this question, if f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5 for x lying from 0 to 4, that is the domain of x is from 0 to 4, find f0, f2, f8 if they exist. Also find x if f of x is equal to 0. So let's start with f of 0. So let me write down f of x first. Now f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. Now f of 0 would be, now 0 lies in this domain from 0 to 4. So this exists, right? So we have 0 square minus 6 times 0 plus 5. So that's 0 minus 0 plus 5. So the value is 5. Next is f2. Function value at x equal to 2. Yes, 2 also lies in this domain. So we go substitute x as 2. So we have 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 5. And we obtain 4. 6 2s is 12 minus 12. Plus 5. So that's 9 minus 12, which is equal to minus 3. Next is f at x equal to 8. Now f at x equal to 8, this does not exist. Okay. So this does not exist as we have the domain of x from 0 to 4. So f of 8 does not exist. And next they have asked find x if f of x is 0. So if we equate fx with 0, we need to find the value for x. So if we consider fx is 0, so therefore we obtain x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we factorize this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So 5 could be factorized as minus 5 into minus 1. So we have x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Taking x term common from the first and second terms from these two terms. So we have x times x minus 5. And here we take negative 1 common. So again in brackets we have x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we obtain x minus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have two values of x. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1. But again, the domain of x is given as rather from 0 to 4. This is the domain, right? And 5 does not lie in this group. So therefore, x cannot be equal to 5. So therefore, our final answer is x is equal to 1.